Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how to start a car with the push button start and stop engine. So with this one I am using my pickup truck Toyota Conquest. So to begin with, you need to have the key with you. This one. This is an anti-theft key. So without this one with you or inside the car, this pickup truck will not start. So do you need this inside the car or in approximate distance that it will allows you to start the engine. Okay, so to begin with, I will show you how to run the car, or not run, turn on the car if you only wanna use the audio system. Like if you are in a standby and you just wanna use the audio system, so this is how you do it. Don't put your left on the brake. Just don't do it. Just press this start and stop button once. There. And look at the dashboard. It says accessory. And look at my screen. There. So let's try it. Let's start the audio. There you go. You could turn on AM, FM, Bluetooth, but I'm not gonna do that because we are vlogging for YouTube. Okay. So, if you decide you wanna open your window, you just have to press this engine start button again without putting your foot on the brake. Okay, let's press it one more time. There you go, ignition on, but the engine is not on yet. It's just to run your accessories like windows and stuff like that. Okay, now I will try to open the window. There you go, just like that. And then you can now turn on your aircon. There you go, without turn in your engine, so you can save fuel. Okay, now to stop the car, if you want to stop the car, still don't put your foot in the brake, just press this button. There you go, it's all off. As you can see, it's all off. Okay, so now I will show you how to turn the engine on, because you are ready to go. So you have to put your foot, the right foot, on the brake like that. Brake, and make sure it's in park, and this brake is up, handbrake is up. So you put your foot on the brake and at the same time press the start button. There you go, and release the brake, and our engine has started. Okay, so now you could put your foot in the brake now, and put this handbrake down if you are ready to drive, and put this there in the drive, and you could go. Okay, and then I have that camera. I have a 360 camera. With the Conquest, it's very nice because it has 360 camera. It really helps a lot especially for parking. And if you're slowing down in a highway with a tight space, it really help a lot because you could see your distance and stuff like that. Okay, so if you want to turn off the engine, okay, if you want to park, okay, go back to park, pull brake up, and remove your foot in the brake, and just press this button, start stop button, once, only once, and then this will be off. There you go, it's already off. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Please comment if you have questions. If you have something to say, I will really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.